Thousands of Floridians have started the long process of applying for federal disaster assistance, and the hurricane victims now eligible include people right here in Palm Beach County.
Reporter Tara Jakeway got some advice tonight about preparing for the next natural disaster.
While the Kings Point residents continue to pick up the pieces, we spoke with a local HOA lawyer who says now is the time for all Floridian residents to cross their T's and dot their I's when it comes to their plan in case of a natural disaster.
Get ready for a rainy day. It happens.
Peter Sachs represents Kings Point Recreational Corporation. Working there for 50 years, he considers most of the residents his friends.
The status is positive. Everyone has temporary shelter. We have the county working hard to make sure everybody gets what they're entitled to.
Sachs explained what the tenants from the development are going through now, starting with applying for benefits.
If they don't have insurance or they don't have enough insurance, they can get help from FEMA for loans or grants.
That money can be used, he said, to replace things like cars. Good news for the owners of these vehicles, captured in images from that fateful night.
The Recreation Corporation of Kings Point has set up an administrative facility to help people get information on what their entitlements are.
We met Sachs at the recreational clubhouse on Flanders Court, the street virtually destroyed by the F2 tornado.
Kings Point is a very resilient community. The people here have survived Hurricane Wilma, Hurricane Francis.
He said of the dozens of units deemed unlivable, he's not sure everyone had sufficient insurance.
Check your insurance. Make sure it's sufficient to replace items that may be damaged.
Sachs recommends that all homeowners and renters within developments get their own insurance just to be safe. In Palm Beach Gardens, Tara Jakeway, WPBF 25 News.